is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Maddie if you guys are new here. Today is Wednesday. I thought I would vlog another day in my life at home. I had a very slow start to my morning. Got up kind of late and I just had some hot lemon water. As you guys saw, I watched some YouTube videos while I drank that. And now it's already like after 10 a.m. so I need to get started with my day. I have some work to do on my computer this morning. Since it's Wednesday, I have online classes, but they're not until this evening. I have a class at 5:30 and then a class at 7, and I also have a presentation to do in my 7 o'clock class, so I need to go over that before my class. This week is actually my second to last week of classes. Next week is my last official week, and then I'm done with school forever. It does not feel real at all. We're not sure what's happening with our graduation yet. It's obviously not going to be happening when it was supposed to be. I think they're going to postpone it, but it might not be until the fall or maybe even next year, so we're not really sure, but there's not going to be a graduation anytime soon. But I'm still graduating and I'm gonna be done with school. I'm gonna be a college graduate and I'm so excited. So yeah, I just have to get through like 1.5 more weeks of online classes and then I'm done. Also, I'm a little bit sunburnt around here. Look at this line I got yesterday. It was like 70 degrees here, which isn't even that hot, but it's the warmest it's been. So I went outside and I laid out for a few hours and got some sun. Anyway, right now I'm in my bathroom because I'm about to do my skincare for this morning. In my last vlog, I talked to you guys about the Belief Aqua Bomb Moisturizer with aloe vera. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about their Aqua Bomb Deep Hydration Set. This is a limited edition set that you can get right now. It gives you an entire skincare routine, so it literally has everything you need in it. So if you are looking to try out some new products and you don't really know where to start, I think this is a great set. You're gonna get a full-size version of the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb Moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. And then you also get 3 little deluxe size products. So you have a cleanser, a toner, and an eye cream. The set as a whole is a $57 value, but you're only paying $38 for it. If you have dry skin like I do, these are going to really hydrate your skin and make it super glowy. But it's also amazing for other skin types too because it's not super heavy. I'm going to start by washing my face with this. It's the Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser. Okay, now my skin is nice and clean. Next, I'm going to go in with the Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. Next, going in with moisturizer. This is the True Cream Aqua Bomb. I love this moisturizer because it's super lightweight and it just leaves your skin so hydrated, so glowy. And lastly, I'm gonna go in with the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. I've actually been needing a new like moisturizing eye cream, so I was really excited to get this. Okay, so that is everything for my skincare this morning. My skin feels amazing, and this was just using all the products in Belief's Aqua Bomb Deep Hydration Set. I will have a link for you guys to get it down below, and thank you to Belief for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I just changed into my outfit for the day. I'm just gonna be working a lot on my computer, so I wanted to be comfortable. Just wearing this sweatshirt from Misguided, biker shorts from Aritzia. Also, I've been taking this whole quarantine time as an opportunity to give my hair a break from heat. So I haven't really been straightening or curling it at all for the past few weeks. I've also been doing a lot of like hair masks and hair treatments. I'm gonna do one tonight, so you guys will see that later. But just trying to get my hair healthy and give it a break from all of the heat. So I've been wearing it up quite a lot just to get it like on my face and not have to worry about it. I'm gonna go ahead and make myself breakfast and coffee because I haven't done either of those 2 things yet. Working on getting a video ready to post, so I'm making a thumbnail. I use Adobe InDesign to make all of my thumbnails, so I just put in all of the pictures that I want to be in it. This is for my haul video that will already be live, so if you haven't seen that already, go check it out. Then I just add in a text box. I type in what I want it to say, change the font. And then I just changed the color of it. I'm gonna go for a pink today. Then I'm gonna add an outline in black. Then I just copy and paste this whole thing, get rid of the outline, change it to white, and then you go to layers and I put that layer under the other text, and then I just drag it under so that it gives like a drop shadow effect. That is my thumbnail. Okay, it is later now. It's around 2 o'clock. I finished uploading a video that I needed to get up today, and I also finished this homework assignment. It was like a little extra credit thing for my project management class. Got that all done. I also went downstairs and picked up my mail and packages that I had to pick up, and my Sephora package came with all the stuff that I ordered from the sale. Here's a little overview of everything that I got. Also, these are items that my mom got. We share a Sephora account, so every time there's a sale, I just ask her what she needs and do it all in one order. So those are her items. But here's an overview of everything that I got. I already posted all of the stuff that I got during the sale on my Instagram story with like swipe up links to everything, and I saved all of those stories to my beauty highlight on my Instagram, so you guys can check that out. But this is just a little overview. I'm really excited about this Marc Jacobs bronzer. It's huge. Let me open it. It's so pretty. It's the Omega bronzer in the shade Tantalize. Here's what it looks like. It's just a really nice like warm toned bronzer. This is gonna be so good for summer when I already have a nice tan. But yeah, that's everything that I got. Pretty much all new stuff, except for this is just a backup of my night serum that I use, and then this is a backup of my Brow Wiz. But everything else I've never tried before, so I'm excited to test it out. Also, I forgot to show you guys, I got this new wall art for my like dining room area, so it's just above my table. It's from West Elm. I ordered this so long ago, like at the end of February, and it just came. I just wanted something neutral, mostly white. I think it looks really nice, so I just wanted to show you guys. That's like the only apartment update I really have right now. I'm just heating up this leftover quesadilla that I had in my fridge for lunch. Okay, so I have a couple hours until my online classes start, so I think I'm gonna take this time to deep clean my apartment a little bit. I really need to vacuum. I feel like I'm always vacuuming because my rug that I have here in my living room, I love how it looks, but it sheds a lot, and so there's always these little like fuzzies everywhere around my apartment from the rug. It's actually really annoying, but I'm just gonna vacuum to clean that up a little bit, and maybe also like clean my bathroom a little bit and clean my kitchen. Got out of my first class of the evening. We ended pretty early, so I have a little bit of a break between now and my next class, so I'm gonna go ahead and make dinner. I think I'm just going to do like a little vegetable stir fry, just heat up some veggies in a pan and then add some rice. I have these brown rice things from Trader Joe's. You literally just microwave them, so I'm gonna make one of those and just add in a bunch of veggies, and that'll be my dinner. Okay, I'm about to log on to my last class of the day. Wish me luck on my presentation. Just finished class. It's already at 9:30. Class took forever, but our presentation went really well. I am so happy to be done with that. We've been working on this project since the beginning of the semester, so this is such a relief. I'm basically done with this class. I just have a final exam next week. Wednesdays and Thursdays are my reality TV nights. So Vanderpump Rules is on Tuesdays, but I always save it so that I can watch Vanderpump Rules and Real Housewives of Beverly Hills on Wednesdays. And then Thursdays I watch Keeping Up with the Kardashians and Real Housewives of New York. So I'm going to watch those. I'm also going to put in a hair mask right now and leave that in for a little while I watch TV, and then I'm going to shower after and wash it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. It's the Olaplex number 3 hair perfector. You're supposed to leave this on for a minimum of 10 minutes, but I leave it on way longer. I feel like the longer you leave it on, the better. So you put this on damp hair. So I'm just gonna get my hair a little bit wet in the sink, put this all over, throw it up in a bun, and then just leave it in for as long as I can. I'm also going to put on some of these Pixie Detoxify eye patch things, because why not? Okay, I'm starting Vanderpump Rules. This is the episode where Beau proposes to Stassi, so I'm so excited. Hi guys, I just got out of the shower. I washed the hair mask out, and I also used Olaplex shampoo and conditioner in the shower. But it's getting pretty late now, so I am going to head to bed and end this vlog here. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos from me. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy and safe, and I will see you very soon in another new video. Bye.